Welcome to McNally's Toyota Longford. This video we're going to have a look around this 222 regged Toyota Yaris Cross. It's a 1.5 hybrid engine. The Yaris Cross only came out in 2022. It's a brand new model. This is the Luna spec, so front fog lights, alloy wheels. It's got rear camera. Smart entry, smart start. Car is perfect. This car only has less than 3,000 kilometers on the clock. It's only 6 months old. Comes with full warranty and finance is available. Good deep boot with protective boot liner. Inside the back seats, we have ISO fixed points on the left and right, 3 seat belts in the back, electric windows, storage pockets in the door. Inside the front, digital dash. We have an 8-inch touchscreen stereo with a reverse camera built in. It's an automatic transmission, cup holders, armrest, storage pockets, lots of storage. We have USB ports, automatic climate control, air conditioning. We have automatic lights, automatic wipers. There's cruise control, lane departure alert, speed limit assist, radio controls and easy accessible controls here. There's also automatic headlights. Nice cloth seats. This car is immaculate. Just to recap, it's a 1.5 hybrid electric engine. Comes with warranty, finance is available. It's a 222 reg, very popular model. This is ready to go now in McNally Motors Longford. Check our website or give us a call on 043 33 456 21. Thank you.